Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be unboxing this iPad right here. So this one's the smaller one, this one's the bigger one. So this is a 12.9. I do have an unboxing about that one as well, a comparison between the two. And obviously I do have a setup and a manual for each one of these iPads. Now keep in mind that it doesn't matter how many gigs an iPad is, you're going to get the exact same things inside the box. Also, doesn't depend which color it is. Again, you would get the exact same stuff inside the box, so that does not change within iPads. Also want to mention that it doesn't matter which size of iPad you got. Maybe you got the 12.9 or the slightly smaller one. Exact same things come inside the box. Anyways, we're going to start off just unboxing the iPad Pro. So this is the iPad Pro 11-inch. You would see that information on the back plus the serial number. Around the box, there's not much information. iPads are really secure in there inside the box. It's kind of hard to get them out. But here we go. We're just going to slide it in, and here we go. So here's the iPad. We're just going to put that on the side for now. And we're going to take a look at what else we get inside the box. So inside here, we get our manuals, sticker, and that's about it. So let me just show you quickly. Here we go, manuals, and my sticker should be around here somewhere. Get all this stuff out, and here are the stickers that you get. Other than that, inside the box, that's it. You do get a brick, so that's good. I'm still happy that they're sending out bricks, because as you may know, if you have an iPhone, they don't send out bricks anymore to charge up your iPhone. However, with iPads, they still do, and that's really good, because if you had an older iPad, you will notice the cables that this comes with are different. So let me just get them out of this thing. So here we go. Here are the cables that come with your iPad. You may notice the difference. Again, if you had an iPhone, these are both USB-C. With an iPhone, one would be different. And right here, the brick, it's just a standard brick to charge your iPad, which is really great. Again, that it comes with. I hope they never take it away. But at this point in time, this is all you get inside the box. You don't get anything else. Now let's take a look at the iPad itself. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have seen my video about the iPad Air. However, weight-wise, this feels pretty much the same. I know it's not the exact same thing, but it feels pretty much the same. However, when you're looking around the iPad, there's only a few things that change between iPads in general with the newer iPads. You will notice that on the back, the lens, right back here, with the Pros, they come with more lenses, where the iPad Air just has one lens. And just one. This one you guys can see right here. Obviously there's a few more differences when it comes down to the Pro. Now make sure if you would like to watch this guy in action, make sure to watch the setup video and the manual for it, plus the review. Then on the bottom, same thing, USB-C, we can charge it from there as well. On the back you might notice this metal part, this actually does a lot. Anyways, moving on to the bottom, this is where we would charge it up. So on the bottom, again, that's your USB-C. Then on the sides, we're not going to see that much anymore. We're just going to see this right here. That's for our volume. Then on the top, here we go, our power key, speakers, also microphone. And then right here on this side, there would be no buttons. It'd just be flush. I'm just going to zoom in on the screen just a little bit more so you guys can see on the top. On the top, you're going to view the front camera, so it does have one of those. And if you looked at the slightly bigger iPad Pro, the 12.9, you will notice that they are pretty much the same. But anyways, this is an unboxing video, so you got exactly to see what comes inside the box, which isn't much. But make sure to watch the setup video and manual if you would like to see this guy running and doing its thing. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.